NASA astronauts Sunita Suni Williams and Barry Butch Wilmore have finally returned to Earth after an unplanned 9-month stay aboard the International Space Station. What was supposed to be a short 8-day mission turned into a grueling test of endurance, patience, and survival in space. Back in June 2024, they launched aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft to test its systems. Spending nearly a year in microgravity took a serious toll on their bodies. Without gravity, muscles weaken, bones lose density, and fluids shift to the upper body, causing astronauts' faces to appear puffier and older. Even though they followed intense daily exercise routines, returning to Earth still meant dealing with dizziness, weakness, and the struggle of readapting to gravity. But the physical effects weren't the only challenge. Imagine being in a confined space for months, far from home, with no clear return date. NASA had to come up with a new way to bring them back safely. Instead of relying on Starliner, they arranged for SpaceX's Dragon capsule to be their ride home. The Crew 9 mission, carrying new astronauts to the ISS, arrived to swap places, and after months of waiting, Williams and Wilmore finally boarded Dragon for their long-awaited journey back. The return trip was intense. Traveling at over 27,000 kilometers per hour, the capsule endured scorching temperatures of nearly 2,000 degrees Celsius as it re-entered Earth's atmosphere. Despite being stuck in space for so long, their pay remained the same. Astronauts receive a fixed salary, and there are no bonuses for extra time spent in orbit. Meanwhile, India is preparing to make history. Indian Air Force Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is set to become the first Indian astronaut to travel to the ISS. Williams and Wilmore's 9-month journey was never part of the plan, but it became a testament to human resilience and the unpredictable nature of space travel. Their story is a reminder that when it comes to exploring the cosmos, anything can happen, and only the strongest can endure.